Thank you for tuning in. This is your Florida weather guy. I'm your forecaster, Jeffrey. And we're going to look at our Tampa Bay regional weather for the west coast of Florida. The counties that I cover will be Pasco, Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Manatee County. Once again, thank you for turning in to Tampa Bay regional weather. This is your Friday forecast, June the 7th, 2024. For the Pasco County weather listing area for Friday, and that's tomorrow, you'll have AM thunder and PM clearing. So that's in Pasco County. So you have clearing skies in the Pasco area. Your winds are from the west 5 to 10. There's 50% chance of thunderstorms, and that's mainly in the morning. A high of 95, a low of 74, and your heat index 104 degrees. This is for Pinellas County. We'll get rid of that. Pinellas, you're going to have AM thunder and PM thunderstorms. They're calling for 40-20, but I'm thinking more of the morning storms, since you have that west wind at 5 to 9 miles an hour, and we're calling for 40 and 20. So as the afternoon goes along, the storms will be gradually moving east. That will be in central Florida. And you'll have a high of 92 and a low of 79, and your heat index, like Pasco County, will be 104 degrees. This is for Hillsborough County. And once again, AM thunderstorms and PM thunderstorms, they're calling for 50-20. So that 50 is going to be more of the morning type of showers and thunderstorms possible. And then as you go in toward the afternoon, they will decrease down to 20%, and them too will be moving east into central Florida. Okay. And you're going to have a high of 95, a low of 76, and your heat index is 105 for tomorrow. And this is Friday's forecast for Manatee County. In Manatee County, you're going to have AM thunderstorms and PM thunderstorms. Same thing with Hillsborough County. You're at 50% and then decreasing to 20% later in the day. So this is mainly AM thunderstorms in the morning, which is up here, and a decrease, which is down here in the afternoon. You're going to have a high of 96 and a low of 76, and your heat index is going to be wobbly 107, just under the advisory category. So I think it has to be 108 for it to be a heat advisory, and it's just under that. So be cautious tomorrow. Do like we've been doing all week. Drink plenty of liquids. Keep hydrated. Stay in the cool, air conditions. Stay in the shades if you're working outside. Take plenty of breaks. This is our radar as of this evening. As you can see right here in our regional weather area, which covers right here. No showers and thunderstorms, and the ones on the East Coast have already moved out into the Atlantic. And we don't see nothing coming down this way and nothing coming up from this way. And if we do have any showers tomorrow, it will be around the West Coast, and then they will be moving east, and they will get heavier as they get into this general area for tomorrow. this is that satellite, and as I was telling you about, this is the area that is moving, that developed right in here, and they got heavier as they moved in here, and now they're moving east. And these will eventually be dying down. This is the front draped off right there, and it's going to come down a little bit further south, and then it's going to stall out, and then it's going to dissipate. So this front is going to not make it down into our areas. Now this is what I wanted to show you. Possible tropical development June 15th and 16th. That's not this coming weekend, but it's a weekend from now, so there's a lot to happen. But right now, the computer model is showing it's going to develop right up in here, and as you can see, it's slowly developing right here. But a lot of the computer models are showing it going up toward Louisiana and maybe over to Texas. So this area right here, as of right now, but we will keep you updated from the Florida Weather Guys Weather Center, and I'll keep you guys updated if it's going to make any of a turn or if it's going to dissipate, not happen at all. That's quite a ways away, and a lot could happen in between now and then. So just take that in, put that in the back of your head. Possible development of tropical weather for the 15th and 16th of June. Not a for sure thing for right now. So anywhere from here all the way over could be possibly getting some tropical development. But the water temperatures are extremely warm out here, upper 80s to lower 90s. So that would be enough to do tropical development, but we have to wait and see, make sure the computer models keep coming together in agreement. And we're going to look at the European model tomorrow, and I'll look at again tomorrow in the European model in our live and our GFS model, and see if they're starting to come together. This one here was taken from the GFS model, the American model. This is the American model. So we'll look at the European model plus the GFS, the American model, and we'll see if they're starting to come together. You know, like I said, this is going to change every single day. It's going to go like a windshield wiper, back and forth, back and forth. So with that being said, we just have to keep an eye on it and know your evacuation plans, know your hurricane plans or tropical storm plans, and get them in place, and just to be ready on the safe side. But the biggest thing for right now in the short term is we got a lot of rain coming up next week. We'll talk more about that tomorrow as well. And that's nothing to do with this part of it, but we got a lot of rain coming in tomorrow, especially from the tropics coming up this way, and it's going to affect a lot of Florida. So we need the rain, so that will be a good thing. And so, but like I said, we will go over a lot of that stuff tomorrow in the live. All right, we'll have let's see if there's any other. Nope, there's no other slides. So have a good. Oops, sorry. Have a good evening. And we'll see you tomorrow on the live. If you have any comments or any questions, just hit them in the comment section on the YouTube channel. And thank you for watching the Florida Weather Guys Tampa Bay Regional Weather Forecast. Have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.